This is the repair of a pasta lesion in the supraspinatus tendon with the 1.8 millimeter Parker straw tight anchor. The anchor and trocar drill guide has a spear tip which allows us to introduce it through the supraspinatus tendon after we've cleared our subacromial space and prepared our greater tuberosity. So once we've got our drill guide in place and our footprint, we go ahead and drill, and with this guide we're able to place our anchor through the same hole. One of the unique features of this anchor is it has both a sliding suture and a static suture for deployment of the anchor. As you pull on the tails of the anchor balls up inside the socket, effectively achieving purchase. But this also gives us a double loaded anchor. We have one sliding and now one static suture with which to tie. So once we've got our anchor down, we go ahead and pass our sutures through our supraspinatus tendon. In this case, we use spinal needles and suture passers, bringing our suture out through our anterior portal or retrieving these with a bird beak and loading these into our spear-tipped suture passers. So we're going to go ahead and pull two strands here, both are sliding and static. And then we'll go ahead and pull again for the other limbs. This allows us to get good broad coverage of our supraspinatus tendon and repair it back down into its bed. You can pass the strands individually with spinal needle and suture shuttles if you desire to do so. And once we're back into our subacromial space, we're going to retrieve our sutures and tie these independently. So you can see our sliding sutures are blue and white suture, while our white sutures are static deployment suture. This gives us a great deal of liberty in that we can go ahead and tie this medial row if we desire, and if there's need to place a lateral row suture later, we can save these without cutting them after tying them and shove them out in accessory portal. But in this case, we do not require lateral row repair, and we simply tie down our medial row repair for our pasta repair with the 1.8 millimeter draw tight anchor.